Be ready? Start. There is only one duty before us. Every one of us should be more honest than he was before the 15th of August last. If there is not more honesty is free India, then there was before. It is no use having become free. If private lives are not clean, public life cannot be clean. This message, so simple and so direct, is worthy of the man who led a very simple living, even though he occupied the highest office in this country. This message of late Rajaji may sound very simple, but I think it is one of the most profound statements I have ever heard. We must be aware in what context we are living in, what kind of a social situation we are working, and what problems we are facing. Para, we in the bank have a professional obligation, and this professional obligation includes social obligation too. Banking is an instrument of social good. There can be no two opinions about it. Whatever doubts we might have had in the first 2 years of nationalization have totally and completely disappeared. Never for a moment think that you are simply doing a job against payment. You are doing something more meaningful in the overall context of economic development of this country. You are aware that we are promoting rural development and 20-point program on a massive scale. This demands from each one of us a positive concern for the welfare of our people. Simply speaking, this demands from us a great sense of honesty. Honesty is what brings a sense of commitment, and sense of commitment is what brings ultimately satisfaction and happiness. Para, this year we have adopted the theme Think Big, Grow Big. The greatest of the problems that we are facing today is not the economic poverty. It is poverty of the mind, a mind which refuses to expand, a mind which is not often open to change, a mind which neither looks in nor looks out, a mind that stands still. Think big means to feel proud of yourself and work to be worthy of that pride. We can fulfill corporate objectives only when each one of us decides that we should be better persons than we were before. It means acquiring greater knowledge and expertise. It means expanding the horizons of our minds and developing our own personalities. Remember, no job either of the managing director or that of the general manager is basically important. It is men who occupy the office who make the position important. We can be clerks, but by making that job more meaningful and useful, we make the position as important as any other superior position. We can occupy a high position, but by not performing well, we can make it a very unimportant position. Everything depends on how we look at ourselves and the jobs we perform. Stop.